Friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. In the last video, we introduced the data class of Kotlin, right? It's convenient for relatively simple data wrapping class like our chess piece, right? Like chess piece. And we introduced some difference between the normal class and the data class. To recap, data class cannot be the superclass, and the different the default implementation of equals function provided by the root superclass any, right, is for reference comparison. But using data class is a structural comparison. So it compares each properties by default, each property, right, of the data class. Another one is the default implementation of toString of the class. Let's take a look of that, like print normal piece, right? So this will call its default implementation of toString function, right? And we already saw that before, but let's compare that with let's put it here and put a line break, right, to separate that, so we can see normal. Okay, normal piece one. What about this normal piece one and space data piece one? Okay, let's compare with that. So this one is much more user friendly. Let's see. Let's separate it like that, make it look better. The first one is the reference of right, memory address, and here is human readable, right? It prints out all the right properties of this instance. Chessman king, row 0, column 0. Okay, now let's move on to introduce enum class. Okay, we'll create an enum class for our chessman. Now let's go here, new Kotlin class, chessman, right? We have 6 different chessmen. Oh, class enum class. Oh, we'll put our 6 chessmen here, like a king and the queen. Oh, and the bishop, and okay, I think rook has a bigger value, and knight and pawn, right, like that. Okay, so now we can change our data type of chess piece here. This one we can use the enum chessman. Okay, and let's create another enum for player. Okay, chess player. Yeah, we can create oh, there's an enum class here. Yeah, so cool. The name is chess player. Okay, nice. So we have white and the black. Okay, so now we can go back to our chess piece to change this one, right, to chess player. Yeah, this is much better than the string, right? There's only a finite cases of the player. There are 2 of them, right? For Chessman, there are 6 of them. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.